Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for May 1st, 2024. It is 9:45 and the SPX is trading lower, down 0.2%, 250.25. Internals are, well, on the neutral side. We got NYSE negative volume, NASDAQ positive volume, but very close to that 1-to-1 ratio. ADD, which measures market breadth, plus 350, so very close to that zero neutral level. We got dollar index and rates more or less flat, a slight downtick. VIX, a measure of market volatility, up about 2%, back to that 16 handle. And sectors are mixed, which is not surprising. Participants are in wait-and-see mode with the Fed interest rate decision at 2 o'clock here this afternoon, and then Powell's presser at 2:30. First off, the Gamma Index is materially negative 940 million. This is after breaking the 50.95 flip yesterday, which was our transition. So bears in control here today. Dealers are short Gamma, and this is most certainly bearish. Now, on a per strike basis, that transition is pretty clear, 50.75. All strikes below are negative. That is destabilizing for the market price. Most strikes above are positive, which is supportive for the market price. So this is really the transition of where that Gamma Index would move from negative to positive. So for the bulls to regain control, they need to reclaim 50.75. And then you have resistance at 5,100. Now, 5,100 is no longer the call wall. That did shift higher here, now to 5,200. Although this morning we're trading down here at 50.25. So 5,200 call wall is out of reach today. 5,100 is the resistance level we're paying attention to. Now, as far as the downside goes, the put wall major support sits at 5,000. This is a very strong level. Recall we had about 125 point bounce off of it last week. Now, if you do break it, that is most certainly bearish, with support at 49.75, 49.70. Now, 49.70 doesn't look too significant here, but this is ES 5,000 equivalent, which is a big psychological level. So 49.75, 49.70, first support zone below 5,000. Followed by 49.50. Now, in terms of volatility, options, so 0DTE options, pricing at a 1.6% move today, 49.54 lower bound, 51.16 upper bound. VRP, so implied volatility, is trading at a premium, simply meaning options are overpriced, not just 0DTE, but relative to 30-day realized vol. You can see a bit of a gap there, although that has significantly narrowed from where we were, a week and a half ago. Now, with this said, volatility elevated, Gamma Index negative, there is squeeze potential if Powell comes off dovish. And we could see a rather sharp move on the upside. Conversely, if Powell comes off hawkish, and you break 5,000 support, you're likely going to see that bit in volatility, and it could get pretty ugly on the downside. So again, the rate announcement, 2 o'clock, there is a 97% probability that the Fed will not hike rates. Okay, so that is consensus, likely not going to spark much of a reaction. Participants are paying attention to what Powell says and the dot plot. We did highlight in our morning note here what some of the bank analysts think. There's a lot of mixed views regarding the outcome here today. To be honest, I don't give a whole lot of weight to this. We're traders and we're focused primarily on the market reaction function. So I'll be seeing what happens and trading accordingly. But as of this morning and prior to the event, likely not going to position. Now, if you want to get access to our market report, our morning live stream, trade ideas, you want to learn a process to consistently trade 0DTE options, visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.